What's going on, everybody? My name is Pete, and you guys are watching Paid to Drive. That's right, everybody. I'm just wrapping up my day of Uber, heading home, baby. And let me tell you, today was sweet. Now, what I'm going to be talking about in this video is specific, not my entire day, which my entire day was really good. I started this morning, and I've been working through the day. What's up, Jean-Pierre? But good Lord Almighty, I never expected to make this much money on one ride. Let me tell you, man, for all of the people out there who hate on Uber, hey, man, I was kind of one of them for a little while too. I'm not gonna lie. I'd be lying if I didn't say I didn't trash talk Uber a little bit at one point. What's up, Jay Phillips? What's up, Jesse? But I gotta tell you, man, this blew me away. It really blew me away. So, who's ready to hear about it? And guys, we are going to set a thumbs up goal of 99. So smash that like button located down below. What's up, Trini? Hit that like if you haven't. Thank you so much for the 2 people who already have. And let's talk about it. So today I did about 16 rides, 17 rides, something like that. And my last 2 rides, I got to say, were really cool. What's up, Dominic? My last 2 rides were pretty cool. The second to last person that I picked up was a young kid. He was, I think, a junior in college, and we had a good conversation. Picked him up at the train station, so we spoke. That was like $7 and change. I was like, okay, no problem. That was a cool one. But right, hey, Katarina, I'm sorry, I'm driving. I'm trying to multitask here. So, Katarina, what's up? Hope all is well. All is well with all of you. And let me stay on focus, on topic, because everybody hates when I go off track. So, I'm driving around looking for the next ping, and an Uber XL. What's up, Kaston? An Uber XL request pops up. It's my first time. First time getting an Uber XL. I was doing all Uber X and Uber Eats deliveries. So, no, I'm not, Frank. I'm not. I'm staying in the game. So, the Uber XL request comes in. It's a 1.3, what do you call it? It's a 1.3 surge. And I'm like, great, I'll take it, because the surge pricing with Uber is great, especially if it's a long ride. So I go to pick up this woman and her son, and I'm thinking Uber XL, it's going to be a full van. It wasn't. It was just a mother and her son. I guess she just wanted him to have more room to relax. Okay with me. It was like, I don't know, I guess it was like 14 miles, something like that. So it was like a 25-minute ride. Dude, I was thinking the whole time, I'm like, listen, I got surge on my side right now. Let's see what's going to happen. Hey, there's an Uber passing me right now. Look, did you see the Uber decal? Man, that guy must weigh about 500 pounds. But he's making money. I'm not too far off. So, anyway, I pick her up. I had a little trouble finding her because she was in an apartment complex that gets a little squirrely, and what I mean is it's the GPS can't find certain apartments for some reason, and I'm sure most of you guys know all about that with all the delivery stuff that we do. So anyway, what ends up happening is I find her, and then as soon as I start the trip, I'm like, oh, come back. Is everybody still here? Can anyone see me? My signal is trash over here. Comment 111 if you guys can still hear me and see me. Where did I leave off there? Can you guys still hear me? I know, conveniently at the best part, I hate the signal in this area. And I'm using my better phone. Seriously. Guys, we are going for 99 thumbs up. Please locate that like button down below. Hit that like down below if you haven't already. I just lost like 15 people, but the story continues. So, excuse me, got to get all that pollen out. Got a lot of pollen around here. A lot of pollination. What's up, guys? So, anyway, so she gets in the car, right? I say hello and everything, and then went to go sit all the way in the back, because when I was a little kid, whenever I was getting into a van, or like a minivan, or like a Ford Expedition, or a Tahoe, or a Suburban, I always loved to sit all the way in the back. I don't know, kids like that, so it was cool to see the kid actually go back there and sit, in the back seat. So, when I swiped to start the ride, I was like, wow, this is going to be great. I was like, this is going to be, it's Uber XL, it's a 1.3 Surge, and it's a 25-minute ride. So, I'm not going to lie, the whole ride was a little, I don't want to say nerve-wracking, but she didn't say much. And, when you have a little kid in the car, you always want to drive, like, extra careful. I would say 90% of the trip, I was 10-2. And when my arm started getting a little tired of just staying like this, I would do 1. You know what I mean? Then I would rest my arm on the other armrest over here of the passenger seat. So, not much conversation took place. It was pretty much a quiet ride, but it was a smooth ride. And she had to go to a dealership, I guess, to pick up her car that was getting worked on. So we got there. Everything was good. I said, hey, have a great weekend. And she tossed me $5 extra cash. I was like, all right, $5 on top of whatever I was going to get on the Uber app. So whoa. All right, bro. Jesus Christ. Are you trying to get over? All right, you are. All right, well, I'm going to get out of your way. God, man, these Coca-Cola drivers over here, a little hyped up. So anyway, sorry for the rude interruption. I end up ending the trip, and I kid you not, it said $33 for that trip. It took me 25 minutes. $33, okay? Plus $5 cash. That brings me up to about $37, $38 roughly with the change. Yeah, about $37, man. Whew. I'm telling you, I can't complain with that. I really can't. I can't argue with that. $37 for 25 minutes of my time? Plus, keep in mind that I had done another ride on top of that before that. So, think about that. That's like 40, what was that? Was it 37? That put me at $44 in an hour. That's not bad, man. And in my area, in my market with Grubhub, to hit $40 an hour, you had to really, really, really make sure you were hustling hard, man. I'm telling you. It just didn't happen. And we got people like Jesse Carroll making $400 a day. Pretty soon that guy's going to be making $1,000 a day. Thanks, Julio. And you too, Julio. I know you've been making money. But yeah, remember UberX and XL has hot and cold like food? I don't know what you mean, Frank. I don't know what you mean. But I got to tell you, man, that's awesome. And we don't have Postmates. Today I started at 8, like 8:05, something like that, somewhere around there. But I gotta tell you, man, when I put in some more full days, it's what's up. That's what's up. Doing the full days, doing Uber. But today, I'll just tell you right now, I made over $240 roughly. Okay, so and I'm done. It's 5 o'clock. I'm just going to grab something to eat real quick, and I'm done. That's it. I had a great day. It's good to get paid. And, I gotta say, it's tempting to hit that instant pay thing. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty tempting to do that, Guys, thank you so much for 20 thumbs up. We're going for 99. We got 36 people here. If you could kindly locate that like button, that thumbs up, smash that like real quick. That'd be awesome. Yeah, no, I know. Food never threw up in the car. But you know what? What's cool with oh yeah, that's solid. It's solid. But Uber, if you take it's kind of gross, but if you take a picture of the accident, then what ends up happening is you take a picture of it, and Uber will pay you to have it cleaned. So can't really go wrong there, But in conclusion, guys, I gotta say I am enjoying doing Uber X and Uber XL. And it's great, man. It's been a really good experience so far. Like I said, it gets a little nerve-wracking from time to time, but it's to be expected, Yeah, it was absolutely an awesome day. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because I haven't really done much Uber-related stuff on here. So I wanted to share that experience with you. So now I get to go home, Listen, man, James, unfortunately, you can't just say, every day, what about the crazy people? What about the crazy people? What about the crazy people? Because, dude, you know what? It's a legit concern. I might, Julio. I don't know. I don't know if I want to get all braggy about it. You know what I mean? I might. We'll see. Yeah, that's true, Frank. That's true. But, I don't know, man. It's just, you can't just say what if all the time. What if? I am, Jesse. I've been able to work less and make more, So that's just what it is, man. Like Grubhub, I love doing the Grubhub delivery for the fact of the freedom and everything, but I don't miss waiting at restaurants, trying to find people's houses and apartments and getting lost and, you know, people not answering their phones, you know. Exactly, James. Like, again, I'm not trying to come down hard on you on that. It's just, I always used to be, well, what if this happens? What if that happens? But you know what, dude, what if I make $100 in an hour? You know what I mean? I know money's not everything, but money is important, and we need to make money to survive. It's just what it comes down to. So, on that note, no, not at all, Natalie. I'm just doing that part-time, and I'm doing Uber full-time right now, you know, just to get my things back together again, you know, get finance going in the right direction. Hey, Frank, thank you very much, man. Everyone say thank you to Frank Scaturo for the $2 donation. Me too, Josh. I appreciate it. You got to live your life. You stay away from... Exactly, Katerina. You got it. I haven't done Lyft yet. I have my sticker. I have everything ready to go, but Uber's been pretty good to me so far. Exactly, Julio, you know. And again, I'm not trashing food delivery at all. That's what got me to where I am now. That's how I built this channel. I will still continue to make videos on food delivery apps, you know, but I feel like I got to change it up a little bit. Did you disable turn-by-turn navigation speaker? Yes, I did. Sparky, yes, I did. I turned it off because it's just crazy. It annoys the hell out of me all day, you know. But in Lyft, you can see a pic of who you're picking up before you... Oh, that's good. I feel like Uber should incorporate that too, eventually. But anyway, guys, let me wrap this up here. I really appreciate all of you guys taking a little bit of time to listen to what I had to say here. If you're new, I urge you to subscribe, turn that notification bell on. Definitely follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, the PTD Vlogs, my daily vlog where I upload every single day about all sorts of stuff. Comment 111 if you're subscribed to the PTD Vlog. Comment 222 if you're not yet. Link is in the description down below. There's a few links. Make sure you subscribe there. And we're going for 99 thumbs up, so please locate your nearest like button and hit it if you wouldn't mind. I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great one. I'll see you guys on the vlog tonight. Peace out, guys. Later. Adios. Get that money. Get that honey. Keep hustling. Keep hustling. I'll see you guys next time on Paid to Drive.